the Capitol, and then we did the inside at the studios. But anyway, it was really cute because, you know, when Ezekiel falls through and we're all working really hard to get him up, and there's one so close to biting him, and Daryl takes it out with his arrow. And I'm thinking,
I was aiming for Ezekiel.
Well, I guess that answers my next question, which is how does Daryl feel about Carol being with King Ezekiel?
No, but I was thinking when I looked him over and he was fine. I think Carol should have gone over and kissed Daryl for saving his life.
Oh, that would have been sweet. Some people wanted to see that happen. That was a question, actually. Whitney W. on Facebook, how does Daryl feel about Carol and Ezekiel?
Well, remember, you know, I like the fact that Greg had me shoot the first, because it's, you know, it's me saving the guy that's going with the girl. But I will say that when we were shooting it and they're all kissing and stuff, I was kind of like, dude, this is like forever. You know?
I thought you were just gonna walk up and push him back in.
Yeah.
So just Daryl's off the side going, we get it!
Yeah. I was very uncomfortable with it.
I remember when this script came out, Norman called. He's like, man, not happy.
Well, you guys basically took over the state capitol building.
We mostly took over the state capitol building. You know, they were so generous.